Hello kids, today we learn about farm animals. In the heart of the countryside, nestled among rolling hills and golden fields, lay a quaint little farm called Sunny Acres. On Sunny Acres, there lived a delightful array of animals with their own unique personality and charm. First, there was a Daisy the cow with her gentle eyes and creamy white coat. Daisy spent her days munching on sweet grass and lazily swishing her tail as she soaked up the warm sunshine. Next to Daisy's pasture was the pen where Wilbur the pig lived. Wilbur was a chubby pink piglet with a snub nose and mischievous twinkle in his eyes. He loved nothing more than rolling around in the mud and snorting with delight. In the chicken coop, Henrietta the hen ruled the roost. Henrietta was a plump red hen with a proud strut and neck for laying the most delicious eggs. Hmm. She clucked contentedly as she scratched for worms in the soft earth. Over in the stable, there was the old Meg the horse, a wise and gentle old soul. Old Meg had a sleek brown coat and a mane that flowed like a silk in the breeze. He spent his days pulling the plow and giving rides to giggling children. And let's not forget about the sheep who roamed the meadow in fluffy white herds, bleating happily as they grazed on lush green grass. Together, these farmyard friends made Sunny Acres a lively and bustling place. They worked together to tend to the crops, gather eggs, and keep the farm running smoothly. But they also knew how to have fun with importance races across the field and late night yard sing alongs under the stars. As the seasons changed and the days grew shorter, animals of the sunny acres huddled together for warmth in the cozy barn. They shared stories of their adventures and dreams for their future, grateful for the love and friendship they found on the farm. And so, on sunny acres, amidst the rustling fields and murmuring streams, a special bond blossomed among the farmyard friends, for they knew that no matter what challenges come their way, they would always have each other, a true family, united by a love and the simple joys of farm life. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay blessed, children. Bye bye.